Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. I'm eating a watermelon. Yep, then I love watermelon but it's cold. Tara ko guys, lami kayo no. Magkaon dida. Kana ka magkaon ng watermelon, lami kayo. Ilog dago ilong. Isa yung mangganan fruit pero lami og watermelon. Mutaka magkawang storya og Bisaya oy. Salamat. Nagnondog ko ni Shun in Philippines nasa Facebook. Pangitaan niya ha. Ang nasa ang YouTube kay Shunky Binuang. Like and share and comment. Once a day. This is once again. This is Blair. Goodbye.